Hi guys, I am Kiran, first MSc Microbiology from Sagat Arts College. In this video, we are going to learn about mitochondria. The content of the present video includes introduction, morphology, structure and functions. These are all about mitochondria's overview. Introduction. Mitochondria are thread-like or granular structure are also called as powerhouse of the cell. These are the site of cell respiration, primarily concerned with the oxidation of organic acid and transformation of their potential energy into chemical energy, stored in high energy ATP adenosine triphosphate molecules. Both plants and animals have mitochondria. This is the site of cellular respiration, also it called as burning glucose. Morphology. The size, shape and number of mitochondria are available in cells. Usually these are filamentous or granular. They can change their shape like club, tennis racket or vascular. Size is averagely 0.5 micrometer to 1 micrometer in diameter and about 2 to 8 micrometer in length. The number per cell is about 300 to 800. This is the structure of mitochondria. The given diagram represents the parts of mitochondria. It's surrounded by double membrane and also mitochondria has its own DNA. Mitochondria consist of several parts including outer membrane. It contains simple phospholipid bilayer. It encloses the mitochondrion. It contains large number of integral protein structures called porins, which allows molecules to freely diffuse from one side of the membrane to the other. Ions, nutrient molecules, ADP, ATP, etc. can pass through the outer membrane with ease. The next one is inner membrane. It is freely permeable only to oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. It is devoid of cholesterol and rich in phospholipid and cardiolipin. It contains complexes of the electron transport chain, the ATP synthase complex and transport proteins. Presence of sophisticated ion transporters exists. Now, intermembrane space. The space between outer membrane and inner membrane is called as intermembrane space. It is also known as perimitochondrial space. The space between inner and outer membrane is approximately 70 angstrom. Because the outer membrane is freely permeable to small molecules, the concentration of the small molecules such as ions and sugars. Then cristae. Cristae are fold and form finger-like structure of inner mitochondrial membrane. It expands its surface area and enhancing its ability to produce ATP. Stalk particles are inner membrane space. Cristae is covered with these inner membrane space called stalk particles or knobs or heads. They contains protein called F1 portion for ATP synthesis. And finally, matrix. It is the space enclosed by the inner membrane. Gel-like consistency and dense. It contains 2/3 of the total protein of mitochondria. Matrix have enzymes, DNA genome, ribosomes, tRNA and granules. It is important in the production of ATP with the aid of the ATP synthase contained in the inner membrane. Important functions of mitochondria. Role in apoptosis, which means programmed cell death. It plays many roles in cells and hormones like synthesis of estrogen and testosterone, role in neurotransmitter metabolism, role on cholesterol metabolism, role in heme synthesis and also role in cellular proliferation. So it's to wrap it up. Mitochondria aren't just tiny structures inside our cells. They are literally the powerhouses of life, producing the energy that keeps every heartbeat, every thought and every moment going. Next time you are running, studying or even just scrolling on your phone, remember it's your mitochondria working behind the scenes to fuel you. Jokes apart, without mitochondria, life as we know it simply couldn't exist. Pretty amazing, right? Thanks for watching.